Start in the name of Allah, who is merciful and most beneficent. Dear students, today we are going to discuss Marxism and Marxist literature. So, first of all, we'll look upon the historical development of Marxism. So, being in the 19th century as a pragmatic view of history that offered the working classes of society an opportunity to change their world, it offered humanity a social, political, economical, and cultural understanding of the nature of reality, society, and the individual. So, first of all, we'll discuss the Karl Marx. Root of the Marxist literary theory. First of all, we'll see that Karl Marx born in Germany in 1818. His writing became the basis of Marxism. Karl Marx is there, and his writings became the basis of Marxism and Marxism approach. And Karl Marx died on 14th of March 1883. So first of all, we'll look upon that what is Marxism and how it is linked with us. So first of all, Marxism is place in society determine our consciousness. This is the first perspective of Marxism. And the second one is study the relationship between a text and the society that reads it. Yes, now the relationship between the text and the society. A text is there and society is there, and a society who reads the text. That is the relationship between two things. And the third one is focuses on class relations and social conflict. This is the third point. Marxism is there. Marxism focuses on the class relation and the social conflict. This is the third point. And the fourth one is people's experiences are responsible for shaping and developing an individual personal consciousness. Yes, if someone is there and society is responsible for his or her some sort of bigad or some sort of sudhar. Society is responsible, keep in your mind. If someone is going to do something wrong, society is there. If someone is going to do something good, society is there. So individual is not something. Individual builds upon the society. And society shapes your character, society shapes your life, society shapes your inner soul, society shapes your external character. So now we look upon the works of Marxism. So first of all, German ideology is there. The Communist Manifesto is the second, and the third one is Das Kapital. So we'll discuss these three things later on, but now we are going to discuss four historical periods of Marxism. The number one is feudalism. This is the social system. Feudalism, this is a social system. And the second one is capitalism. This is the production of profit. Yes, when you are going to do something for the sake of profit, this deal with the capitalism. And the third one is socialism. It deals the social ownership. Yes, socialism is the social ownership. And the last one is communism, society's ultimate goal, the workers' paradise. Yes, these are the four Marxist period. So these were the things which we have discussed, and now we'll discuss the Russia and Marxism, which is basically linked with the proponents and their contributions. So first of all, development is there. So GK translated the Communist Manifesto. Russia, the first country to promote Marxist principle. Now the Russia is the first country who promoted the rules and the principle of Marxist, and became the founding father of the Marxist literary criticism as he authored Literature and Revolution. Leon, Leon, Leon was the first founding father of the Marxist literary criticism in 1925. So he said that there is a complex relationship between the basis and the superstructure, and the superstructure can be there does influence the base. So A function of literary analysis is uncover the political unconscious present in a text. So these are the some sort of thing which we have discussed today. So now the thing is that very easy one, that how Marxism is there and how literature is being intermingled with literature. The four periods are there, and the 4 points we have discussed, that how Marxism works. Individual is not the thing. Society is responsible for the individual. If as I have said, that if someone is going to do something good, society is responsible. If someone is going to do something bad, society is also responsible, because society shapes us. When we are living in a good society, our character will be good automatically. This is some sort of, you can say, imitation is there, you can say copy paste is there. And if someone is if society is bad, automatically some sort of effect will be on you. You will be doing something wrong. So as the Marxism is saying, that individualism is not something, society is the thing who is responsible for that sort of thing. That's it.